A very good morning, dear students. Today, my topic is natural resources. Natural resources are the gift of nature to mankind. These have been exploited by human beings. But in the last millennium, human population and its requirements have increased tremendously, causing serious damage to natural resources. Definitions of natural resources. Number one, any component of the natural environment that can be utilized by to promote his welfare is considered as a natural resource. Definition number one, any component of the natural environment that can be utilized by to promote his welfare is considered as a natural resource. Second, the natural resource can be a substance, an energy unit, or a natural process or phenomena. Repeat. The natural resource can be a substance, an energy unit, or a natural process or phenomena. Third, air, water, soil, minerals, energy, etc. are examples of important natural resources. Natural resources and their classification. Natural resources can be classified on the basis of their accessibility and renewability. On the basis, two important types of natural resources are exhaustible and exhaustible. Inexhaustible and exhaustible. Number one, inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are present in abundance. They are unlimited and cannot be exhausted by human use. Important inexhaustible resources are solar energy, wind power, wind energy, tidal power, tidal energy, and rainfall, and even atomic energy. These are the inexhaustible resource of energy. Second, exhaustible resources. A large number of natural resources are exhaustible. For example, they are limited in quantity. Their excessive use may cause their exhaustion. These types of resources can further be divided into renewable or non-renewable sources. Number one, renewable sources, the sources which can be regained. The sources which can be regained once they have been used up are called renewable sources. Repeat, the sources which can be regained once they have been used up are called renewable resources. For example, water, soil, natural vegetation, wood fiber, food, etc. Wildlife, aquatic life, and human beings are the example of renewable source of energy. And the second point, non-renewable source of energy, those natural sources which cannot be regained or regenerated are called non-renewable sources. Repeat current second repetition is those natural sources which cannot be regained or regenerated are called non-renewable sources. For example, biological species, fossil fuels and petroleums. These are the example of non-renewable source of energy. Important natural resources present on the earth are air, water, soil, mineral, energy, flora and fauna. Since the beginning of civilization at that time, these sources were abundant than relative to human population. Therefore, no significant depletion occurred. Increasing of population causing serious damage to natural resources. Increasing population causing serious damage to natural resources. So, these are the natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. Thank you.